All right, back at the shop today. We're working on red. We're 99 Turbo Dakota RT LS. If you followed my other videos, I had to put in a second fuel pump. I did run out of 10 gauge wire, but today the new wire showed up. We're going to put it together with these new heat shrink connectors that I have not used before. So let's give it a shot. Right, so we're using 10 gauge wire. It's yellow. Now, these came organized, but my daughter got a hold of them and thought she'd scramble them all to bits. So from what I believe, is we'll do black first. I believe there's no crimping. One side there, another side in here. I believe they both have to overlap like that. I believe you just heat it up. Evenly, of course. These are heat shrink. I think that does it. Oh, I'm gonna let it cool, I guess. I think maybe a torch isn't the best idea. Oh, it's starting to cool off. You can tell the solder has gotten into the wires. Alright, let's try this red one. Get another yellow one. Overlap the wires like that. Let's try to turn the flame down a little bit. Is that enough? I think a heat gun's probably the better way to do this. Black wire is clearly soldered together. Red one needs to cool a little bit. Okay, so I can't pull these apart with two hands. Looks like they solder together. Looks like there's a band with solder inside the band. I would say that works. I have no wires poking out, but yeah, that should work. Alright, so I got them, I used them. Where are they at? They're down here. I've never used them before. They seem to be waterproof. Of course, I did put them on the underside of the truck. This is for my secondary fuel pump. I will post a, follow-up video in the coming months. If they hold up, I'm going to leave them not exposed, but I did run, this braiding over it, but I left that part of the harness exposed, just so I can crawl underneath there, keep a look at it. But, yeah, I mean, for what I paid for it, pretty cheap. It's easy to solder. Was able to pull them apart. I will definitely try them again on the next wiring project I got. So yeah, I'll probably buy some more just to have more in the stock. You don't get very many in this kit. Again, the kit's pretty inexpensive, but yeah, 50 pieces. I'd buy it again. Thanks for watching.